Hi, so we are offering making a simple website which includes e-commerce and which includes payment. And that's all you need for selling your products online and having a website that is low cost and can be edited by yourself or our team for you. Okay, so this is the format of the website. You will have products, featured products, and reviews that you can add yourself. You can obviously also add some other sections. There is no problem with that. On the top, you will have your product featured, whatever the main project product is. You know, you can have up to three products like this. And then there's a get started button, which when the user clicks it, it'll show you the next section, which basically is the latest products. In this, you can see that you can add these products and also the prices can be changed and everything can be changed here. There's an add to cart option, which once the user clicks, will add to the cart. As you can see, this Nikes has been added to $120 here. We can use Thai baht, no problem, or any other currency you'd like. And you can add as many products as the user would like to add into this cart. Now, once they have added the products, they can click on checkout, and on the same page, you've got all these products already added. And user can obviously increase or reduce these products if they wanted to, but in most cases, you know, a user typically would be ordering one or two products, could be more, right? And once they have done that, there's a place, option for placing the order or completing the order, where you have home delivery or pickup at the shop, and there's a time, date stamp, and the address for delivery option. And once that is done, then they will basically have the prices, sorry, the information about um, the buyer would be entered here, right? And something like that. And and the message, and then they'll place the order, after that here. And I mean, this is a demo. That's why once your email address is added, it'll send that order information directly to the email address, your email address, like a Gmail address, right? Now, coming back, there's another section where you can have a composite e-commerce thing where you can have up to four pictures for the same product, and the functionality is the same. They can add the product, and the only difference is, instead of having a short format with one picture each, you've got a long format with multiple pictures that you would like to have, and they can add the product, and they can place the order and make the payment. Once they make payment, is basically going to PayPal, where people can pay using credit card. If you like, we can add something like Rabbit Pay QR code or something like that. You will get the payment on email uh, for the user with the user information, and you'll get the order information through this. And you can add some reviews here, and you can add Google Maps, etc., if you like. So that's a quick presentation of the simple format website. As I've mentioned, it's low cost and easily editable. You can edit it on your mobile phone using the access panel we will provide. And it's a pretty handy tool, good for somebody who wants to keep it low cost and easy to manage. Thank you.